Rotation is almost right on top of us. We're gonna start watching everybody. I don't like you rolling down that wrong window. It's gonna be coming right over that hill behind us. Oh, there's a lightning strike. That was pretty. Oh yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look super duper impressive right now, but it is right on top of us. It's definitely going to pass right over here.
Whoa! Oh. That was right there.
Oh my gosh. Somebody clip that. I don't know if I got it on my GoPro or not.
Oh my god, I think you did.
Well, I had it turned more that direction and it was right here.
I saw. Woo!
Dang.
Got your blood pumping.
It got my heart a beat. Oh.
Oh, there it went again.
Oh my gosh.
That's what I'm talking about, stream.
Dang. That seemed like it was back over here. Because I just saw the flash. I didn't see anything else.
No, it was up front. I saw it straight ahead.
No, I didn't see nothing. I'm not touching no metal. I ain't touching crap right now.
I'm like, get away from all metal.
I'm not touching a single thing right now.
Besides your GoPro.
Well, that's not metal. This is plastic right here. Oh, tornado sirens. Tornado sirens going off. We are in Stonewall, Oklahoma, where we have a tornado warning we are right in the middle of. Rotation should be right on top of us if the map would update. Come on, update.
All that stuff is just pulling down. It's going to hit right here.
If a tornado drops, it's going to be right here on top of us.
Oh, this is a beauty. You see this, guys? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, if it drops, it's going to be right here on us. So quick update, we are tracking this secondary tornado warning storm. We dropped south from the Tupelo tornado warning, or the Stonewall, or Stonewall, I think it was. Stonewall tornado warning storm to the one further to the west. As you can see, we are dropping south on 377. Gonna try to get ahead of it. It's literally racing us right now to get to the southern edge of this, whereas the tornado could possibly be. So we're just gonna stay on 377 south and get in front of it, and hopefully be able to spot it as it passes just in front of us here in just a minute. We just got to get out of this rain and hopefully be able to see it as it pops around this corner up here. So let's see what we can get into.
Oh my God, that was right there.
Oh my
that
God.
was right there. That was.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Yeah, I wanna save that.
Oh, this would be a perfect spot right here, right where that person is. Oh God, dang, that was right on us. Like that was simultaneously. Woo, my heart's racing right now.
My heart skipped a beat.
It's like paused.
I literally just saw a flash,
I heard a
and that's it.
Yeah, exactly.
Like my life flashed before my eyes.
Woo. Oh my gosh.
Look around 360 and see. I think we need to turn around that direction. Is there any county roads coming up that I can turn around? I think I see one over here.
Jesus.
It's so cute. This is where we were. Maybe we'll see the next, but it's something there's no ring, it should be back on there. What's going on, everybody? Oh,
Whoa.
wow. That was bright. Listen to that. It sounds like a shotgun.
God. Bend it down just a smidge. That one. There you go. Perfect.
Let it hit that tree right out in the field.
I know, right? No, because that's too close.
No, it ain't. I would love to see it.
Well, one almost hit the truck.
Oh, yeah, that was a little too close for comfort. Because that made my heart skip a beat.
Darn Skippy. Oh, God.
Lightning bug, light your light. Oh, it's way over there. I want it right. Lightning bug, light your light. No. No. Really? No. Oh, I saw maybe a funnel.
Really?
Right straight over here.
Okay.
I think I see the screen. Oh, it's burning. The line flash will do just back up. I bet as soon as I end the GoPro, it's gonna strike. Watch.